Okay guys, so I wanted to show you right quick this is like my kids stuff that we're bringing in their like to-do bag on our road trip. We're going on a road trip out of town from Texas to Florida, so how many ever hours that is. We're going to be stuck in a van all day, so I got all this goodness here to help get my kiddos through that whole entire trip. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. Okay, so the first things I would definitely recommend are these bingo cards. I purchased these ones from the Target dollar spot section, and they have like these built-in, so you don't have to worry about like the little you know, some kind of a marker. They have these built-in little tabs that you just slide over, so you have to find like the different items that most of these items you'll find as you're driving through different towns. So I definitely think these are a good investment. They were only $1 each, and yeah, you can't beat that. So I got 4 of these. The next item I got was this Dork Diaries book, and this is book number 12. If you guys have little ones that are interested or love the Dork Diaries series, this is the latest one, so I went straight to my store and picked it up. And I didn't give it to my daughter until today when we're leaving, because she can read this book in like a day. She'll totally be done with it. So I wanted her to have something for the drive there, so I got her this. And she also loves, she loves joke books. So I got her this one. This one's for kids, laugh out loud. So I did get a couple of books from the half price bookstore because I'm all about trying to save money. So this is one of the ones I picked up. This right here you'll probably recognize from the Dollar Tree. This is for the kindergartners. It's called Breakfast Bites for Your Brain, and it just has like little like worksheets for your children, for your child, for like each letter, and just different exercises for them to do. So I really enjoy these types of books, and for $1 you can't beat that for sure. So this was another item that I picked up from Half Price Bookstore, and it was still $4.99, which I believe is full price. So I don't know why they don't take at least something off of that price, but oh well. This is the Imagine Ink mess-free game book, and this is pretty cool. It has like just areas where you color it in, and then it reveals like secret messages and things like that. It has a couple little exercises in here as well, little mazes and things, and my daughter loves these. She sees these all the time on YouTube, so she had to have her own. I picked this up. This is also along the same lines of coloring, and it's the Crayola Color Wonder Mess-Free Coloring. And I guess I haven't used these before, but I guess you have these markers that I imagine they're like clear tipped, but when you color they show color. So I got her these. I forget how many pages there are, but there's several pages on here. So I definitely think these will be fun for them. Okay, and then I did pick up brand new nice fresh colors and markers. Oh my god, this box, if you guys could smell this, smells so good. I love brand new colors, the way they smell. Makes me think of school. So we got a box of those and some brand new fresh markers. Okay, and then the next item we picked up from Half Price Bookstore, and I believe this was like $6.99. I think regular price was like $15. This is the My Little Pony Make Your Own Pop-Up book. So if you guys can see her, it looks really cool. My daughter, my 10-year-old, loves making pop-up cards, so this was perfect for her. So let me show you a little bit of what I can see here. So it has like the instructions and everything on what to do. And then look, check this out. This is pretty cool. So I definitely think she is going to love this. Like I said, she loves making pop-up cards in general, so now she'll have her own book. So it gives you all the instructions and everything, and then like the supplies are included in here as well. So I guess you pop them out and then you just go from there with the instructions that you're given. So that's pretty cool. Okay, and the last item I picked up from Half Price Bookstore, again, I think this was $7 and original like $16 or somewhere around there, but this is called Fantastic Origami, and you can make 20 original creations, and has the folding sheets included, which is what I loved about this. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside, and it has this really cute origami little unicorn already in here, so that's super cute. But here is the sheets right here. And so I think it said it had like 40 sheets, so it has all of those in there. And then the little step-by-step book that shows the different origami structures that you can make. So you got flowers, animals, all kinds of different goodies. So that's super cool. Oh, I like that penguin. Super cool. But I thought my daughter would love this, and actually my little one can probably partake in this as well with a little bit of help from mom and dad. So this is definitely a great investment, something that they can do in the car, and it's not going to take up a lot of space or make a mess. So I got that. So that's it for this little haul that I wanted to show you guys. It's everything that I'm packing in my daughter's like to-do bag. I don't know what you call it, whatever you guys call that bag that you take with you when you go out of town on vacation to keep your kids busy. I guess like a busy bag. But yeah, so these are all the items. Comment down below if you guys have tried any of these too. I'm so excited to try both of these. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried these and what your kids thought about it, and if they were able to do it like this one especially. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.